Good evening. Welcome to another video. This is Harshvardhan here with another vlog. So hope you all are doing well. So we are back with another video, guys. This is of old murder case of 2004, which happened in Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. So this society is called Kamdenu Towers, Kamdenu Apartments. To give you a brief of the case, it's a case of located in this area, Moti Nagar area. So there's a Hanuman temple right opposite the flats here. So as you can see, this is the temple here, and the food seller here. This is the Hanuman temple. Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Shri Ram. This is the temple, guys. Venkateshwara Swami also is there here. It's an old temple. So to give you a brief of the case, what happened is, sorry guys, school bus. This is a case of 2004, wherein one old lady of age was staying here, and she was staying alone in the flat. Unknown assailants came and murdered her and left. So the case is unsolved till date. Nobody knows who did it. Case is not gone to CBI, however, but it lies open with the police station, Moti Nagar police station. Yes, I'm not too sure of that, but we'll have to cross-check it. So from what sources I've heard is that the case is lying open right now. The records are open. The investigation is still on, though 22 years have passed. 22 years have passed, but no sign of the assailants, no sign of who did it. So better is. So they don't know whether it was one or multiple assailants. So this is the building, Kamdenu Towers. There are two buildings, guys. We'll start from here. This is the first block. It's called Kamdenu. Kamdenu. So this is the building, guys. This flat was on the third floor also, I guess, guys. And there were multiple residents staying in the building, and there are multiple entry and exit points, guys, as you can see here. Security is also lapsed, very poor here. Anyone can enter and go. So 20 years back it would have been the same story. However, the assailants gained access. They went, they murdered her, and they escaped. There's a government office also right opposite here. The area seems to be busy now, but during that time I don't know how busy it would have been. So this is the building and this case. So where that flat is, we don't know. The locals, watchman also, I asked him here. He doesn't know where it is, which building. He's a new guy, both the buildings. So not able to get any old residents who can tell me more about the case, but all the flats look occupied now, guys, and it seems to be old of it. Okay, so that's the information we have here. Here also, as you can see, the wall is very low. Multiple entry points to go undetected and go in and come out. So security is poor, guys, here. So I think the police station is not aware of this, or they know everything, but about how the building is not appointing a watchman. They might have warned them, but I don't know why nothing is being done. I guess they should be reminded once again. Whoever is staying in any buildings like this without any security and all that should inform the concerned secretary of the building or whoever it is. If no action is being taken, of course you need to, take it forward accordingly. You inform the local police station. They will do something about it, because if you stay like this, extremely dangerous case. Vulnerable, especially for